Friends, kingdom of animals is fantastic. It is very important for us to learn their living and behavior pattern. So come on, let me take you to animal kingdom. There are many kinds of animals. They are found on water, land and air. We should be kind towards animals. We should never hurt them. We should save animals. There are many kinds of animals. Land animals, water animals and air animals. Land animals are further divided into pet animals and wild animals. Air animals are further divided into birds and insects. Now let us have a look at land animals. The animals which live on land are land animals. Land animals can be further divided into pet animals and wild animals. Now let us have a look at pet animals. Dog, cat, cow, buffaloes, goats are examples of pet animals. Pet animals live very close to us. We love them and they are very useful for us. We should take care of them and we should feed them properly. Some animals even work for us. Elephant, camel, donkey carry our load. And some animals give us food like eggs, milk and meat. So they are called domestic animals. Now let us have a look at wild animals. Wild animals are different from our household pets. They live in jungle and not close to us. They are very difficult to train. They must find their own food, water and shelter. Some of the examples of wild animals are lion, tiger, bear, deer and giraffe. Some animals live in water. They are called as water animals. Some of the examples of water animals are fish, frog and tortoise. Some animals can live on land as well as in the water. Crocodile is the example of that. Whale is the largest water animal. The world of water animals is very different than the land animals. Like their living pattern, food pattern is very different. Water animals are generally found in ponds, lakes, rivers and sea. Air animals. As I told you earlier, air animals are divided into two, birds and insects. So now let us have a look at birds. Birds have wings. Most of them can fly with the help of their wings. Birds have two wings and a beak. Peacock is our national bird. Some people also keep birds as pets. Parrot is an example. Crow, pigeon, sparrow, eagle and owl are some of the examples of air animals. Now let us have a look at insects. Insects are small animals. Some of the insects have 6 legs. Some of them have wings for flying. They are found everywhere. Housefly, ant, mosquito, cockroach, and spider are some of the examples of insects. Now let us take a look at land animals in detail. Cat. This is a cat. Many people keep cat as a pet. The cat kills and eats rats. Dog. This is a dog. A dog is man's best friend. The dog protects our house. Dog is a faithful animal. Cow. This is a cow. Cow gives us milk. All children should drink milk every day. Goat. This is a goat. We get milk and meat from the goat. Elephant. This is an elephant. An elephant is the largest living animal on land. It has a long trunk. A male elephant has 2 long teeth. An elephant eats grass and leaves. Monkey. This is a monkey. Monkey eat fruits and leaves. They live with their family on trees. Some monkeys are very naughty. Horse. This is a horse. A horse can run very fast. In old days, horse was the only mode of transportation. Sheep. This is a sheep. We get meat and wool from the sheep. Pig. This is a pig. Donkey. This is a donkey. A donkey helps us by carrying a lots of load on his back. Rabbit. This is a rabbit. A rabbit is a very beautiful animal. It eats carrots, leaves and grass. A rabbit can run very fast. Giraffe. This is a giraffe. It has a very long neck. It is the tallest animal. Hippopotamus. This is a hippopotamus. It is also called as hippo. A hippo spends most of his time inside water. It comes on land to eat grass. Zebra. This is a zebra. It is a member of the horse family. A zebra has white and black stripes on his body. Camel. This is a camel. A camel is called the ship of the desert. People load their luggage on the back of the camel and travel in the deserts. Deer. This is a deer. A deer is a very beautiful animal. A deer can run very fast. Tiger. This is a tiger. A tiger is big animal from the cat family. A tiger has beautiful stripes on his body. A tiger lives in the jungle, so he is called a wild animal. Tiger is our national animal. Cheetah. This is a cheetah. A cheetah has beautiful yellow spots on his body. He can run very fast. It is a wild animal. Bear. This is a bear. A bear has long thick hair on his body. It is a wild animal. Lion. This is a lion. A lion is called as the king of jungle. A male lion has beautiful maze around his neck. Lion is a wild animal. Now let us take a look at water animals in detail. Fish. This is a fish. It can't live without water. People use fish as food. Whale is the largest fish in the water. Frog. This is a frog. It can live in water as well as on land. Crocodile. This is a crocodile. It is a large animal with powerful jaws. They are generally found in river and considered dangerous. Crab. This is a crab. Crab is 10-legged animal whose body is covered with thick shell. They are generally found in oceans. People use it as a food. Now let us take a look at air animals in detail. Crow. This is a crow. A crow is black in color. Sparrow. This is a sparrow. A sparrow eats small food grains. Pigeon. This is a pigeon. A pigeon is grey in color. Parrot. This is a parrot. A parrot is green in color. It eats chilies. Peacock. This is a peacock. It is a very beautiful bird. The peacock is our national bird. Duck. This is a duck. A duck lives in lakes. It eats fish and frog. Crane. This is a crane. Cranes lives in rivers or lakes. They eat fish and frog. Eagle. This is an eagle. An eagle can fly very high in the sky. It eats snakes and rabbits. Owl. This is an owl. An owl comes out of its nest only in the night. It eats mice and other small creatures. Kingfisher. This is a kingfisher. A kingfisher is blue and orange in color. It eats fish. Ant. This is an ant. It is a small social insect living in highly complex colony. Mosquito. This is a mosquito. Mosquito is an insect with 2 wings and long antennae. Specific mosquito bite may cause disease like dengue and malaria. Spider. This is a spider. Spider has bulging stomach. It weaves large webs. Cockroach. This is a cockroach. It is a reddish brown insect with 2 prominent wings. It is generally found in dark and heated indoor areas like kitchen. Points to remember. Some animals live on land, some in water and some in air. Domestic animals are useful to us. Animals need our love and care. We should never hurt them and we should always be kind to them. Classify the animals. On one side I have written the names of animals and you have to classify them as land animals, water animals or air animals. Dog. Now tell me, dog is land animal, water animal or air animal? Come on fast. Yes, dog is a land animal. Fish. Fish is which type of animal? Land animal, water animal or air animal? Tell me fast. Yes, fish is water animal. Lion. Lion is which type of animal? Right, lion is land animal. Peacock. Peacock is which type of animal? Remember? Yes, it is an air animal. Whale. Whale is which type of animal? Remember, I've shown you earlier. Yes, it is a water animal. Crow. Crow is which type of animal? Come on fast. Yes, it is a air animal. Tortoise. Tortoise is which type of animal? Right, it is a water animal. Pigeon. Pigeon is which type of animal? Come on fast. Yes, it is a air animal. Elephant. Elephant is which type of animal? I told you earlier. Yes, it is a land animal. Match the column. On one side I have written the examples of animals and on other side I have written types of animals. You have to match them. Ant, mosquitoes, spider. Come on, tell me. These are the examples of pet animals? No. Wild animals? No. Ant, mosquito and spider are examples of insects. Peacock, sparrow, parrot. They are examples of, right, birds. Cow, goat, dog are examples of pet animals. Fish, tortoise, crab. Come on, tell me, they are examples of wild animals. No, they are examples of water animals. Lion, tiger and cheetah are the examples of wild animals. So, ant, mosquito and spider are examples of insects. Peacock, sparrow and parrot are examples of birds. Cow, goat and dog are examples of pet animals. Fish, tortoise and crab are examples of water animals. Lion, tiger and cheetah are examples of wild animals. Fill in the blanks with given options. Dash is the largest water animal. Which is the largest water animal? Come on, tell me. Yes, whale is the largest water animal. Dogs are kept as dash. Dogs are kept as. Remember I told you earlier. Yes, they are kept as pets. We get dash from sheep. What do we get from sheep? Right, wool. Bullocks are used to dash. Bullocks are used to do what? Yes, pull carts. Dash is our national animal. Which is our national animal? Right, tiger. So, whale is the largest water animal. Dogs are kept as pets. We get wool from sheep. Bullocks are used to pull carts. And tiger is our national animal. True or false? Fish is an air animal. True or false? Come on fast. Right, false. Most insects have 6 legs. True or false? Come on, tell me, I told you earlier. Right, true. We get milk from hen. True or false? Right, false. Lion is a pet animal. Is it a pet animal? No. Lion is a wild animal. We get meat from goat. True or false? Right, true. Give 3 examples of each. Insects. Give me 3 examples of insects. Come on fast. Right. Ant, mosquito and spider. Ant, mosquito and spider. Birds. Give me 3 examples of birds. Come on fast. Right. Crow, parrot and sparrow. Water animals. Give me 3 examples of water animals. Come on fast. Right. Fish, crabs and frog. Wild animals. Give me 3 examples of wild animals. I told you earlier. Right. Tiger, lion and cheetah. Pets. Give me 3 examples of pets. Right. Dog, cat and goat. So, ant, mosquito and spider are examples of insects. Sparrow, parrot and crow are examples of birds. Frog, crabs and fish are examples of water animals. Cheetah, lion and tiger are examples of wild animals. Goat, cat and dog are examples of pets. Friends, any guesses what we are going to learn today? Yes, you are right. Today we are going to learn about plants. We see many types of plants around us. Plants are very useful to us. They give us food, fruits, vegetables and flowers. Plants keep the air cool and fresh. They also make the surroundings look beautiful. Plants need water, air and sunlight to grow. Plants can make their own food with the help of sunlight. Parts of a plant: roots, stem, leaves, flower. Some plants also give us fruits and vegetables. Friends, shall we draw the plant? Will you all help me? Come on. Parts of a plant. Now let us draw a stem. These are branches. These are leaves. This is a flower. These are roots. Now let us label them. This is flower. These two are leaves. This is a stem. These two are branches. And these are roots. So friends, in a plant we have flower, leaves, branches, stem and roots. Plants are mainly of three types: trees, shrub and herbs, climbers. Types of plants. First, trees. Second, shrubs. and herbs. Third, climbers. So, plants are mainly of three types: trees, shrubs and herbs, and climbers. Types of plants: trees, shrubs and herbs, and climbers. Now let us take a look at them one by one. Trees. Big and tall plants are called trees. They are very strong and they stand straight. They have thick and woody stem known as trunk. Some of the examples of trees are mango tree, coconut tree and neem tree. Shrubs and herbs. Shrubs are smaller than the trees. An example of shrubs are cotton. Some plants are very small and these plants are known as herbs. An example of herbs is spinach. Climbers. Climbers can't stand straight. They need support to climb up. An example of climbers is watermelon and grapes. Now let us revise it once again. Types of plants. There are mainly three types of plants: trees, shrubs and herbs, and climbers. First, let us have a look at trees. Trees are big and tall plants. They are very strong and stand straight. They have thick and woody stem known as trunk. Some of the examples of trees are mango tree, coconut tree and neem tree. Second, shrubs and herbs. Shrubs are smaller than the trees. Example of shrub is cotton. Some plants are very small. They are known as herbs. Example of herbs is spinach. Third, climbers. Climbers cannot stand straight. They need support to climb up. Example of climbers is watermelon and grapes. Now I am going to show you some pictures of plants. Now I am going to show you some pictures of trees. Now I am going to show you some pictures of shrubs and herbs. Now I am going to show you some pictures of climbers. Now let us draw a tree. Which tree should I draw? Coconut tree. These are roots of coconut tree. This is a trunk. These are leaves of coconut tree. These are leaves of coconut tree. And now let us draw coconuts. These are coconuts. Now shall we label them? Roots, trunk, fruits and leaves. So, coconut tree is an example of tree having different parts like leaves, fruits, trunk and roots. Now let us draw an example of shrubs. This is a stem. These are branches. These are roots. These are leaves. And this is a cotton. So now let us label them. This is cotton. These are branches. This is a stem. These are leaves. And these are roots. So, cotton is an example of shrubs which has stem, branches, leaves and roots. Now let us draw an example of herbs. This is a soil where very small plants like herbs grow. An example is spinach. This is the stem. These are leaves of spinach. And these are roots. So, spinach is an example of herbs which has leaves, stem and roots. Now let us label them. leaves, stem and roots. Now let us draw an example of climbers. This is a soil and climbers need support to grow. So this is a support where climbers grow. This is the stem of climbers and these are roots. These are leaves. And now I am going to draw fruits. So watermelon is an example of climbers. These are watermelons. So now let us label them. These are leaves. These are fruits. This is a stem which grow on support. And these are roots. So, watermelon is an example of climbers. Points to remember. Plants are very useful. They give us food. They need water, air and sunlight to grow. And big plants are called trees. Now tell me, what is this? Remember, I have shown you this earlier? Yes, you are right. These are roots. Now tell me, what is this? Come on fast. Yes, you are right. These are leaves. Now tell me, what is this? Come on fast. What is this? Yes, this is stem. Now tell me, what is this? You all know it. I've shown you earlier. Yes, you are right. This is flower. Now tell me, what is this? Which part of the plant is this? Remember, I told you earlier? Yes, this is fruit. Now tell me, what is this? Come on fast. Yes, you are right. This is vegetable. Match the following. Trees. What are the quality of trees? Need support to climb? No. Yes, trees are big plants. Herbs. What are the property of herbs? They need support to climb. They are smaller than trees. No, they are very small plants. Shrubs. Shrubs are smaller than trees. And climbers. Climbers needs support to climb. So now let us revise them. Trees are big plants. Herbs are very small plants. Shrubs are smaller than trees. and climbers needs support to climb? Answer the following. Give 3 uses of plants. Name any 3 useful things we get from plants. Give 3 uses of plants. We get food from the plant. Second, keeps the air cool and fresh. And third, makes the place look nice. So what are 3 different uses of plants? We get food from the plant. They keeps the air cool and fresh. They makes the place look nice. Name any 3 useful things we get from the plant. Remember I told you earlier what all we get from the plants? Yes, we get fruits, vegetables and flowers. So, we get fruits, vegetables and flowers from the plant. So friends, do you know what we are going to learn today? Yes, today we are going to learn about water. Water is very important to us. Men, animals and plants cannot live without water. Everyone needs water. Water is very precious and we should not waste it. Water is tasteless, colorless and transparent. Uses of water. We use water for drinking, cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, watering plants and bathing. Now friends, I will show you some pictures of various uses of water. Drinking, cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, watering plants, bathing. Sources of water, that is, we get water from rain, sea, rivers, lakes, wells, ponds and taps. Now I will show you pictures of various sources of water. Rain, sea, rivers, lakes, wells, ponds and taps. How are clouds formed? Sun rays fall on the water. When sun rays fall on the water, water gets vaporized. Water vapors go up and forms clouds. Now let us revise it. When sun rays fall on a water, water gets vaporized. Water vapors go up and they form clouds. Points to remember. All living things need water. We cannot live without water. Water is very precious. We should not waste water. We should drink clean water. So friends, now it is quiz time. Now you have to give me 5 uses of water. So tell me fast, which are the 5 uses of water? Do you remember I have told you earlier? Yes, drinking. What is the other use of water? Tell me fast. Remember? Yes, cooking. Tell me the other use of water. Remember? Yes, bathing. Tell me other use of water. Correct, cleaning. One more use of water, yes. Come on fast. Remember? Yes, watering the plants. So, 5 uses of water are drinking, cooking, bathing, cleaning and watering plants. Tick the correct sources of water. Tick the correct sources of water. Rain. Is rain source of water? Yes, it is a source of water. Are mountains source of water? No, they are not. Is garden source of water? No, it is not. Wells. Are wells source of water? Yes, they are sources of water. Sea. Is sea source of water? Come on, tell me. Yes, you are correct. Sea is also source of water. TV. Is TV source of water? No, it is not. Are rivers sources of water? Yes, they are source of water. Is sun and moon source of water? No, they are not. Is car source of water? No, it is not source of water. Lakes. Are lakes source of water? Yes, they are source of water. So, sources of water are rain, wells, sea, rivers and lakes. Tick the right one. Tick the right one. We should waste water. Yes or no? Tell me. No, we should not waste water. We should drink clean water. Tell me yes or no? Yes, we should drink clean water. Plants and animals need water. Yes or no? Yes, plants and animals need water. Water is very precious. Yes or no? Yes, water is very precious.